Elimosino, the hard-working Chief Executive Officer for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Nana Yaw Amponsa LLM. Let's welcome him with a big round.
Emmanuel Shea Adebayo. It's an honor to be here on this side. Chairman is a Madamina. As for coming, we really appreciate. Hisense have come on board for 3 years, and as I always stated in the announcement prior to this unveiling, I would like to first of all state the juicy part of this partnership. Hisense are giving protocol 3 million cedis in cash and products over a course of 3 years. This is massive, and I expected a bigger round of applause. In this COVID era, institutions, many businesses are struggling. Even pre-COVID, it wasn't easy to get an institution to invest at a huge sum of money into football in our country. So for Hisense to commit to put in such a huge amount during this period, we can only pat them on their back and say thank you very much. But it shouldn't end there. Hisense deals with numbers. It got massive, solid product that need to be petrolized. And we know that the loyalty that you, the fans, have for the club will automatically translate into loyalty for Hisense. And therefore, once I go through all these goodies, I would expect the fans to show love to Hisense. So a breakdown of the 3 million is 1 million a year. 1 million cedis every year. It's supposed to give us an immediate cash of 500,000, and I can announce with all joy that the initial 500,000 has been paid. This is unprecedented because many sponsors that we've seen in this country would have taken 10 months to pay this amount. This is factual. But Hisense, immediately after signing the contract, he said, we're just going to walk away. He said, no, wait. Your check is ready, and this is something that we need to be excited about. Hisense are also going to give us products. You know, the Anakojachi project that we are embarking on to be completed in December. They are giving us products worth 230,000 to furnish the place. Fridges, our ACs, our microwaves, everything that matters is going to be given to us. And this is going to be repeated in years that we don't need these products. They're going to convert that into cash for us, which is very good. Wow. Hisense, together with us, introduced something spectacular that has never happened in this world, as far as I'm concerned. I've followed football, I've followed football, I've been to many countries, followed more than 100 leagues. Hisense said, we believe in Kotoko. We don't think any team can come and score Kotoko or can score Kotoko. So any opposing player that is able to score a winning goal against Kotoko, we give that person 5,000 cedis. But if they are unable to score Kotoko, that money goes to Kotoko. What a challenge. Then again, Hisense says, you know, we need to also give the fans something to cherish. So there's going to be Fan of the Month awards for the most outstanding fan, which is going to be selected through some voting means, some selection, and that fan will go away with 5,000 cedis worth of products every month. So whichever fan wins Fan of the Month gets that Then Hisense again says, we love beautiful girls. You know, we want to see beautiful girls. So any Kotoko player that wins the Goal of the Month award also gets 5,000 cedis worth of product. Isn't that beautiful? Then again, you remember we talked about the census project and the fact that supporters are going to have their membership cards. So we are in talks again to see the number of fans that will register as a challenge to the fans. And then when you go into Hisense shops with your membership card, you also get a discount for the products that you buy. That's going to depend on the product that you buy. So we're going to communicate that interface on. So the fans, I urge you to patronize Hisense. They've got quality products. They've shown love to Kotoko, and the only way we can repay that love is to patronize Hisense and to do things that will promote the name of Hisense. We as management, the playing body, and the fans should not do anything that will bring the name of our partner into disrepute. We cannot go to the stadium and practice hooliganism, etc. As I said, Hisense is a gentle brand, and Kotoko is also a gentle brand. So we need to ensure that this marriage goes beyond 3 years. The reason why many sponsorships or partnerships fail is the inability of the partners to sustain the relationship. Some believe that once you get the money from the partner or the sponsor, that's the end of the business. No, you cannot sustain a partnership or a sponsorship like that. There is a reason why a brand associates with you, to be able to leverage on what you have. So we should also be able to give them back what they anticipate or what they deserve. So let's not go to sleep. All of us, the supporters, the 12 million supporters, I can say maybe 6 million have Facebook accounts or Twitter accounts or Instagram accounts. Use it to promote Hisense. Every week you post something about Hisense, even once. That will go a long way to promote Hisense. Follow them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, like their pages, and comment. This all goes a long way to promote the brand. If you go out to buy any electronic gadget, please, it will be haram to buy anything other than Hisense. We thank Hisense again, and I'll tell the players that Hisense is a winning brand. Hisense always wins, and therefore we have to win so that we can decide to say, if we are top of the table, put Hisense instead of Kotoko, and they'll still be okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming. Truly appreciate it. Thank you.
He's a multi-talented personality, and I said, oh, very, very impressive. Let's welcome our dear sister, Manana. Give us a minute.
Misano, mi free Kumase, and we team me to be pro, mi team one Kotoko. Na, a cat, ya de share me, I had to say they have 2 million. Into some me took every Kumase Kura, what's not northern region, or southern, or western, or hill. And more Janet, dear, if we was very happy that my family is together. My 2 family, my Kotoko family, and my Hisense family. Today we are one. And I'm very, 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 very proud of myself. I'm proud of Hisense, and I'm proud of Kotoko. Coming together, I know we have the brighter future ahead of us. When my boss said, Nana, he said, yeah, they want to go to Kotoko. And I was the boss, season where and I was, oh, Daddy, 3 years. The way he said it, no, I knew that he would not only do 4 more for Kotoko, he would do more for Kotoko. So I would think that when we are talking, we shouldn't limit. the years. My boss, Shay would tell you, "Oh, show man." And when he loves something, he do it with his heart. He comes all out. He said, "Boss, Kotoko had seen him." I said, no. 3 years. The way he started 3 years, we are very close, we talk. I wish you were there to see the way Ode and Modi become 3 years now. And I know the Lord who has started this will take us more years, will give us more. Our CEO mentioned, and my boss was so excited explaining them to me. He said, "Nana, and yes, I sponsor Kakeo. We said Ghana football na co-form the door. Ghana League no form the door. They want to join the Kotoko. We should involve the other teams so that, because Kotoko alone cannot stand in the stadium and play. We need opponents. We need people who are going to play with. So let's involve them. And when they are coming and they have a winning mind, it will boost Kotoko to even have more positive mind towards from Hisense. And I believe the only or the most channel you can use to select that supporter is through the social media. I believe so. So if supporters, we are ready to support our own through the social media, I think that it will also help give more positive energy to our brothers and the team and the management. I thank you very much. I will end here by saying thank you to God and God bless us all. Hisense, we say everyday prices for everyday people.
Obviously, we have a chance to play for a team that got a lot of partnership, a lot of sponsors. But seeing this happening in Ghana, obviously I play in Togo. I used to play in Ghana. I'm from Nigeria. My parents are from there. I know more about the country. I always pass through Benin. I have a lot of friends in Benin, a lot of friends in Ivory Coast. What I'm seeing here today, I think is the first time I'm seeing something like this in West Africa. All what I can say is, hopefully, in football, when I started, people ask me, when I go to start your career, there's no time to start, there's no time to stop. Keep going till you can't anymore. Today I'm alive, I will keep going. And Nana has said it already. Today, there is a marriage between Hisense and Ashanti Kotoko. And I'm here in 3 years. After 2 years, I think we should focus on the future. Maybe after 6 months, we will change it for 4 years, maybe 10 years, maybe 15 years. But I'm pretty sure the way I talk with Mr. Hisense himself, the boss, is going to be for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. But is what we're doing here. We're promoting Hisense at the same time, but don't forget, we are promoting Ghana football. People thinking because posting something about Ashanti Kotoko is only going to go and see now what is happening in this room here. By the time I'll go out, I'll hear people from Togo testing me, telling me, "Oh, we saw you in Ghana. What are you doing there?" I'll get text messages from Paraguay, from Turkey, from Spain, from Istanbul. This means what we are doing here is going worldwide. So we can only promote ourselves. As the teacher has said it before, I don't know her name, sorry. Our medias are here to help us. We are here to help you. So I will be in one way supporting you guys to support Africa. Because there are certain times, there are certain negativity that's out there that's supposed not to be out. Even though it's to correct something, but it's damaging at the same time the country. So please, today we are here to support Hisense. People know me as an ambassador for Hisense. After today we don't have contract. And I told them, listen, let's go when I'm tired, I will tell you. When you get tired of me, let me know. So whenever I need something, I just call them and it's done. So I'm pretty sure it will be the same case with Ashanti Protocol. Partner or sponsor is about to be paying those opponents that are going to score against them. Right now, I think I have to play against Protocol. No, I'm a little expensive. So, guys, I'm very honored to be among you people today. Pleased to be here, happy to be here, sitting with all these big brothers, big sisters. Hopefully, I will have a chance to come to Kumasi myself, watch one of your games. I have a brother that I've met a couple of times in Turkey, Sule. I play against his senior brother a lot of time. We are very close, and him bringing back his experience is a beautiful thing for the game. Obviously for Ghana, for the football, and as far as I'm also stand somewhere. Obviously, we start thinking negativity about it, whether we like it or not. Those are the names that we have to respect. Whether they come to them, telling them what to do. Today, I'm pleased to be among you. Thank you so much. The one thing that my father taught me before leaving me is Ukuma Pima.
Amen.